When you search for the best screen protectors for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, everything looks the exact same. Same curved edges, same fingerprint unlock claims, same bubble-free promises. But if you look a little closer, the real differences show up in how they actually perform and which one fits your daily life. Product number 1, LK TPU Film 3-Pack. First up is the LK 3-Pack Screen Protector for the S22 Ultra. This one caught my eye because it's not tempered glass. It's made of flexible TPU film, and it's one of the few that actually covers the full curved screen without lifting at the edges. At just $12.57, it's a budget-friendly option, and over 3,000 people bought it last month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The S22 Ultra has one of the most aggressively curved screens out there, and most glass protectors either don't stick properly or block fingerprint access. This TPU film wraps around the entire display, including the curved sides, and still supports ultrasonic fingerprint unlock thanks to its ultra-thin 0.2 design. It's also self-healing, minor scratches disappear on their own, and it won't crack if you drop your phone. The 98% transparency keeps colors sharp, and the haptic touch feels just like the bare screen. Now, some people complained about reduced clarity compared to glass, and honestly, that's fair. TPU isn't as crystal clear as tempered glass, especially under direct sunlight. You might notice a slight haze, and it's not as scratch-resistant as 9H glass. But here's the thing. If you're someone who drops your phone often or uses it in rough conditions, this flexibility could actually save your screen from cracking. It's a trade-off between ultimate protection and optical perfection. This is perfect for you if you want full-edge coverage, don't mind a slightly less glossy finish, and prioritize drop protection over scratch resistance. Skip this one if you're after maximum scratch defense or plan to use a heavy-duty case that might peel the edges. For the price, it's solid value, just don't expect glass-level clarity. Product number 2, Samcorn Tempered Glass 3-Pack. Next is the Samcorn 3-Pack Tempered Glass Screen Protector, also priced at $12.68. This one uses real 9H hardness glass and has been bought by over 1,000 people in the past month. What stands out immediately is the 0.26 thickness and the promise of true touch sensitivity with ultrasonic fingerprint support. Many glass protectors are too thick or poorly calibrated, causing failed unlocks. Samcorn's 0.26 AGC glass is thin enough to maintain high responsiveness, so your fingerprint works on the first tap. Plus, the 9H hardness gives you real scratch protection from keys, coins, and daily wear. The 3D curved fit covers the entire screen, and the oliphobic coating keeps smudges at bay. With 99% HD clarity, colors stay vibrant and text stays sharp. Now, some users reported that the edges don't fully adhere on certain cases, especially thicker ones. I'll be real with you, this happens with most curved glass protectors. If your case has a raised lip, you might see slight lifting. But for most slim or medium cases, it fits perfectly. Also, while it's scratch-resistant, it's not unbreakable. Drop your phone on concrete and it might crack. This is perfect for you if you want strong scratch protection, love the feel of real glass, and use your fingerprint sensor constantly. Skip this one if you use a rugged case with a high front lip or live in constant fear of drops. At under $13 for 3, it's a great balance of quality and value. Product number 3, X-Design 2 Plus 2-Pack Glass Plus Camera. Now, if Samcorn's single-layer protection isn't enough, the X-Design 2 Plus 2-Pack adds camera lens protection for just $11.42. You get 2 tempered glass screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors, all with 9H hardness and ultrasonic fingerprint support. Over 1,000 buyers picked this up last month, likely for that extra layer of defense. One drop and those lenses can crack or scratch, ruining photo quality. Most screen protectors ignore this, but X-Design includes 2 lens protectors made from the same 9H glass. The screen protector itself is 0.25 thick, supports fast fingerprint unlocks, and has a 3D curved fit that works with most cases. The clarity is excellent. 99% HD transparency means no color shift or blurriness. I've seen this too, especially if you frequently clean your lenses or use lens attachments. They're helpful but not 100% reliable long-term. Also, the installation frame helps, but aligning 4 pieces, 2 screen, 2 camera takes patience. This is perfect for you if you're worried about camera damage and want full device protection without spending $20+. Skip this one if you already use a case with built-in lens protection or don't care about minor lens scratches. For under $12, getting 4 protectors is a steal. Just don't expect the camera films to last forever. Product number 4, Arshek Privacy Glass 2+2 Pack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better if you care about privacy. The Arshek 2+2 Pack Privacy Screen Protector costs $15.22 and includes 2 tempered glass screen protectors and 2 camera lens covers. But the real standout is the 25 degrees privacy filter. Here's why this matters for you. If you use your phone in public on trains, in offices, or coffee shops, this protector makes your screen readable only when viewed straight on. Anyone trying to peek from the side sees only a dark display. It uses advanced louver technology like what's in privacy filters for laptops. The 9H glass still supports ultrasonic fingerprint, has 99% clarity when viewed head-on, and fits the curved screen perfectly. Now, some users said the privacy effect makes the screen dimmer, even when viewed directly. That's true, there's a slight brightness drop, and in low light it can feel a bit washed out. Also, the camera protectors, while helpful, aren't as durable as the screen ones and may scratch easier. This is perfect for you if you value privacy in public spaces and want tempered glass protection. Skip this one if you watch a lot of videos in bed or need maximum screen brightness. It's pricier at $15, but for the privacy feature alone, it's worth it if you're often around strangers. Product number 5, Samcorn 3-Pack HD Glass. Finally, we have the Samcorn 3-Pack HD Clear Tempered Glass Screen Protector, also at $12.69. This is nearly identical to the earlier Samcorn model but marketed as a standalone 3-pack without extra features. It's simple, reliable, and over 1,000 people bought it last month. Here's why this matters for you. Sometimes you don't need extras, you just want strong, clear protection that works. This one delivers 9H hardness, 0.26 thickness for fingerprint compatibility, and a 3D curved fit. The AGC glass resists oils and fingerprints, and the installation is bubble-free with the included frame. It's case-friendly and maintains full touch sensitivity. Now, some buyers mention that the edges can lift slightly over time, especially if you press hard near the sides. This is common with curved glass, but it's more noticeable here than on pricier brands. Also, it doesn't include camera protectors, so your lenses are exposed. This is perfect for you if you want no-frills, high-clarity glass protection at a fair price. Skip this one if you want added privacy, camera coverage, or maximum edge adhesion. For under $13, it's a clean, dependable choice. So which one should you pick? If you want full-edge flexibility and drop protection, go with LK's TPU film. For strong scratch resistance and fingerprint reliability, Samcorn's tempered glass is a winner. Need camera protection too? X-Design's 2+2 pack delivers. Privacy matters, Arshek's anti-spy filter is unmatched. And if you just want simple, clear glass, the second Samcorn option gets the job done.